Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical. This watch is engineered for endurance, built to US military standard 810 for thermal, shock, and water resistance up to 100 meters. It features a robust fiber-reinforced polymer case and chemically strengthened, scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. The display is a clear, monochrome, sunlight-visible screen, measuring 0.9 by 0.9 inches, with a resolution of 176 by 176 pixels. One of the standout features is its solar charging capability, offering potentially unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode. To achieve this, the watch needs about 3 hours of daily exposure to 50,000 lux conditions, similar to a bright sunny day. The integrated power manager also lets you fine-tune settings and sensors, helping you extend battery life even further, ensuring your watch keeps going as long as you do on your adventures. For those requiring specialized functions, the Instinct 2 Solar Tactical delivers. Engage stealth mode to stop storing and sharing your GPS position, and disable wireless connectivity for discrete operations. The watch also offers night vision compatibility, allowing its screen to be read while wearing night vision goggles. Additionally, it provides dual-format GPS coordinates for enhanced situational awareness and includes a kill switch to quickly wipe all user memory if security becomes a concern. This watch excels in navigation, supporting multiple global navigation satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for accurate tracking in challenging environments. It also features ABC sensors, an altimeter for elevation data, a barometer to monitor weather, and a 3-axis electronic compass. Beyond navigation, it offers comprehensive 24/7 health monitoring, including continuous heart rate tracking, detailed sleep analysis, and body battery energy level assessments to help you understand your body better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.